Welcome to KodWIZ. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to use KodWIZ to easily create an ABAP Object Oriented Report. Let's get started. Select the data model created in the ABAP report. Please see the KodWIZ ABAP report tutorial for more information on how to easily and quickly generate an ABAP report using the KodWIZ Intelligent Wizard. Select the target platform ABAP Object Oriented Report with OData and generate the program. KodWIZ Wizard will generate 3 different codes. First code is the program that will create the SAP data structure. It will be used for the creation of the OData service. Second code is the class code of the OData extension class. This class code has a method for selecting, filtering and collecting data provided by the OData service. Third code is the ABAP Object Oriented Report. Let's copy the first part of the program and call the transaction SC38 or SC80. Create program named KodWIZ create structure. Paste the code from the KodWIZ wizard and activate. When you run the program, it will generate the data structure automatically. Drill down on the created structure, that will call the transaction SC11. Activate the structure. Call the transaction SCGW and create the OData service with the same name as it was created in the data structure. Define OData fields by importing them from the DDIC using the data structure created in the previous step. Select the filtering attributes for all fields. Generate the OData service. Open the class DPCEXT. Copy and paste the Part 2 code from the KodWIZ wizard. Register the OData service and test it. Call transaction SC38 or SC80 and create the ABAP Object Oriented program. Copy the code part 3 from the KodWIZ wizard and paste it to the SAP ABAP editor. Activate the program. You can see that the generated program is an object-oriented ABAP program. Test the program.